Hello, friends. Welcome to LOTG Finds. My name is Lila. Today I am sharing with you a Temu Oracle deck that I picked up. I believe I got it for like $7.18 before tax and all that kind of stuff. I'm pretty sure it's AI generated, which I'm fine with. It sounded pretty cool. I will leave a link um, so you can pick up your card deck if you decide that you like this. It really helps me out. If you do decide you like this deck and you use my link, it's kind of like a finder's fee that you don't have to pay directly to me. And it's how I know I can keep making content like this. I'd really appreciate it. All right, so I actually opened up this deck in a different video, but it's really pretty. Um, it's got light on it. It's hard, if I pull it away, it's a little easier to see, but it feels nice. The way I described the texture of this stock was like plasticky paper. It doesn't feel like it's going to just rip apart or anything like this, and it doesn't feel like it's going to permanently bend either. It's lightweight, it's easy to shuffle. Um, Speaking of which, I had actually shuffled this deck before I showed, so since some cards are popping out, why don't I just go ahead and show you all of the cards to this deck. Okay, that's the whole card deck. If you liked it, uh, please go ahead and use that link. Pick up your deck on Temu. Um, and if you enjoyed these presentations, please drop me a follow. I'm going to be showing all kinds of stuff that I pick up from Temu. This was one of many. All right. Have a good day, people. Thank you.